Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today in the additional we have in the additional of Wednesday November the 18th 2020 a Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have one tectonic, the second tectonic, a binary, and a binary number 2. Yes, total of 8 extra Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me position the camera first. And the first one I will solve is a Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 1901. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. I've already counted. As usual, 25. So let's get started. Let me see. A 9 in this row, a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then a 9 in this column, a 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see, yes. Digit number 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. That's my alarm going off. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. I see here 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes. That means one digit left. This should be the number 8. Then 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and 5 in this box. We have an 8 and a 5 in this row, so no 8 and 5 in that box. So the 8 and the 5 goes as a pair in those two boxes. That means these two boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 4. Then a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the row above the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then those two numbers in this big square, the missing numbers here are the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. This should be an 8. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. We have here 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. This pair in this row, the 8 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These two boxes in this big square, the missing number 6 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And how about those two boxes in this column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the other number should be the 7. 7 is missing. So we have a 4 in the third row, or 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s not used. No. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. And now I can say, and all the 4s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 4. Those 2 numbers in this big square, the 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. That means 1 box left in this column for the number. Did I make a mistake? No. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where's the 2? Where is the 2? If this is 2... This is not 6 and 7. This is 2 and 7. Apologies. Almost made a mistake. We have a 6 here. So 1 box left here. This should be the number 6. Yes. 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here in this big square. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this third column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. We have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second one. A Sudoku with 4 stars. So, thank you, bye-bye, and see you later.